Come test drive the 2023 Seltos. The Kia Seltos is sure to stand out with its appealing front end. Additionally, the Seltos offers a robust number of interior features and a large amount of space for a small SUV. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. Come take a test drive today.